This is CryptoKernels. I'm your host, Asa Kane. In this episode, we're going to be taking a close-up look at KuCoin Token. What is KuCoin Token? KCS is the native token of KuCoin, which was launched in 2017 as a profit-sharing token that allows traders to draw value from the exchange. It was issued as an ERC20 token running on the Ethereum Network and supported by most Ethereum wallets. KCS is the native asset of KuCoin's decentralized financial services, as well as the governance token of the KuCoin community. KuCoin has also announced that empowering KCS will be a key priority of KuCoin and will build KCS as a killer product rather than a simple token, which is bound to further diversify the benefits that KCS holders can access. In the long run, KCS performs as the key to the entire KuCoin ecosystem with the development of DEX and KuChain. Now, if you haven't already yet, please make sure that you hit the like button that you see there, the thumbs up. What this does is allows people that are new to crypto to learn about it by seeing our videos. And also, if you haven't yet, click the subscribe button. What this does for you is ensure that you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes of CryptoKernels. Now, with the development of DEX and KuChain, KCS will also be the underlying fuel and general token for future KuCoin decentralized products. What makes KuCoin token unique? KCS bonus is regarded as one of the best ways to get passive income. Users who hold more than 6 KCS tokens can get a daily dividend, which comes from 50% of KuCoin's daily trading fee revenue. KCS bonus is a unique incentive mechanism for KCS holders and KuCoin ecosystem builders. The amount of rewards that users can get depends on the number of KCS held and the trading volume of the KuCoin exchange. Besides being paid out as dividend, KCS as a utility token is also used to pay for trading fees on the KuCoin exchange, allowing users to enjoy discounts of up to 80%. The use case of KCS also includes participation in the token sale on KuCoin Spotlight, as well as lock drop, burning drop on the PoolX platform. But this is not all, as KCS tokens also serve a series of other purposes on the platform. For instance, holders can become KuCoin VIPs, and users no longer need to have a huge BTC trading volume to unlock the reduced maker and taker fees. KCS can also be used as a payment method for shopping, making hotel reservations, buying gaming computer equipment, and more. Now, this is Michael Gann. He is the CEO and founder of KuCoin. And this is their Twitter page. As you can see here, they've got over 900,000 followers. Now, if we look here, we can see currently as of October the 2nd, KuCoin is currently ranked number 103 out of over 9,000 altcoins on the market today. Its market cap is 874 million, which we can see here. And the current price per KuCoin token is just under $11, $10.91. Now, the total supply of KuCoin tokens is 170 million. They want to eventually get it down to 100 million through burning. And the circulating supply we can see here is just under 50% of KCS tokens in investor hands. Now, the KuCoin network employs the same standard encryption protocol that ensures that user data transfers within the system are hidden from other users. And we can also see what KuCoin has done over the last 3 months. Critical qualifying questions. What does the coin or token do? What purpose does it serve? Number 2, what is its market cap? Number 3, what is the total token supply? Number 4, who is the CEO? Number 5, does it have a digital footprint? And lastly, does it have a loyal and active community? These 6 questions must be asked and answered by you each time that you are considering investing in any token or coin. Now, if you want to get some KCS tokens, you can do so by getting them on Binance. Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world, and their fees are minimal. And also, in addition to getting your KCS tokens through Binance, if you haven't already yet, if you sign up for an account with Coinbase, you'll get up to $40 in free crypto just by taking some basic quizzes, which will broaden your knowledge in crypto. As well, if you haven't done so already, by using our link that you see here, crypto.com, you can get $25 in free crypto as well. In addition to all this free crypto and KCS tokens you may be getting, it is very important to secure your crypto. And the only way to do so is to have a cold storage wallet. Now, Ledger is one of the leading worldwide manufacturers of cold storage wallets. They are based in Paris, France. They've got several different models to choose from. Leaving your crypto on any exchange for an extended amount of time is not safe and it is not smart. Every other day it seems like I am reading another story about an exchange getting hacked. Don't let that happen to you. Another thing, always make sure that you purchase your cold storage wallet from an authorized retailer, never a third party like Amazon or eBay, because what that means is that you are not the original owner if you go that route, and someone else has had access to your coins, which they can steal your money. So just never do that. It's not smart just to try to save an extra 50 or 60 bucks. It's just not worth it. Now, if you receive value from our channel and you want to contribute, you can do so by clicking on our Cash App link and contributing that way, and also our Ethereum link as well. And before we go, we've got a lot of things going on here over the next couple of weeks. If you have not already, make sure that you subscribe. We are growing each and every week, and we are rolling out new videos every week as well. You do not want to miss out on the next big thing to take off. And until then, learn as much as you can. Ask questions. If you have any questions for me, you can send them directly to my email, which is cryptokernels@gmail.com. I read everything, no matter how short or long, and I do respond. So know that. And until next time, get in there and make it happen.